This guy hid at the entrance and took out anyone who came in. I've noticed that many people like to crouch in the corner of the doorway. Actually, this is an airsoft gun and not a real gun. The players are holding electric airsoft guns. One player was just about to enter the door when a shockwave knocked him back. This game relies heavily on honesty, so if you're not trustworthy, you're not allowed to play. When a player feels they've been hit by an airsoft pellet, they must raise their hand and clearly indicate that they've been hit, shouting "hit" or something similar to notify nearby players. This is a basic rule of airsoft, relying on players' integrity, so dishonest people aren't suited for this game because you'll definitely feel the impact when hit by an airsoft pellet. There are also laser sensors that vibrate when you're hit. The room is full of campers. There's no such thing as a gunfighter here. If you poke your head out, you'll get hit and go down.